Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome to the video today. Today is a very special video to help you guys make some money in 2021. We all know that 2020 was a crazy year and we really realized that we need multiple sources of income. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys 5 different side hustles that you can grow that can actually turn to 6 figures and could be a full-time thing if you choose to make it. Or if you just want to make it a side hustle that makes 6 figures, that's also dope too. Now, if you guys are excited and ready to learn about these things, I'm definitely going to show you some new things in here that not a lot of everyone thinks, oh my God, hello. Hello, my dog's in the corner right there trying to say what's up. I know, you want the people to like the video, huh? That's why he's there. He's showing up because you guys gotta like the video. So, you know what, let me bring him up here. All right, please like the video. Please, the pup he's begging for it. Please like the video, subscribe if you're excited for this video. Yay! Thank you for supporting the channel by liking and subscribing because we're trying to get to 10K subscribers. So I appreciate each and every one of you guys supporting the channel. But we are gonna go in depth and talk about these 5 different ways to make some side hustle money in 2021. So are you ready? Let's go. The first one is one of the ones I actually personally do, and I'm gonna break this into 2 parts as well. This is gonna be called Amazon FBA. So if you don't know what Amazon FBA is Amazon fulfilled by Amazon, and it's a business where you sell products online and have Amazon do all the shipping, packing for you, and you just handle all your work from the computer. This is my main source of income. This is what I started as a side hustle, and it grew into a 6-figure business that is now my full-time thing, that I choose to make it my full-time thing, but I could make it a side thing and keep it as a side thing, and it would still make 6 figures. That's the great thing about it. So I private label products, meaning that I find products that are already in demand, that are already working, and I create my own brand over those products and I sell those. Every time a customer purchases my product, Amazon does all the shipping, packing for me, and I sit back and I let the money come. The second way to make this a side hustle by using Amazon FBA is actually selling products that are already branded and already selling well. And this is called retail arbitrage. So this is where you're actually essentially flipping items that are for sale. So say for example, you found a toy that is for sale, like a Power Ranger toy on Walmart that is for sale, but you see that it sells on Amazon for like $20 more. Then you can go ahead and flip that item, buy it from Walmart, and then sell it on Amazon for a more expensive price for a better profit. That's how you do retail arbitrage right there. So that's the 2-part side hustle that you can do that includes Amazon FBA. You can go in the route of building your own brand, or you could just flip and sell existing brands. Both are profitable businesses that I know people who've done millions and hundreds of thousands of dollars doing these both business models. So pick your poison on which one you are most comfortable with, but they're great both side hustles that you could start off with a lower amount of capital as well. The next side hustle is something that has been gaining a lot of popularity recently because of Ryan Pineda. He's been talking about couch flipping. Now this is pretty crazy, I know, but basically what you do is find dirty couches that are out there selling for a good cheap price, and what you do is renovate it, clean it up, make it look brand new, and you sell it for a profit. And I've seen people do $8,000 a month and make 6 figures with this kind of business. And this is a nice side hustle that someone like Ryan Pineda did when he first started his business journey into real estate. He started off flipping couches and making good money off of it, and he was doing it for a while, and that's how he supported his family, was this side hustle while he worked a real job as a realtor as well. So this is a way that you can look into and start finding ways to find couches, flip them for a profit, and start making some extra few $1,000s a month and scale this business to over 6 figures if you really wanted to. Okay, we've talked about Amazon FBA private labeling, Amazon FBA retail arbitrage, and we've talked about couch flipping. Let's talk about the 4th one, which is selling your own course. This is also something that I do because I do Amazon FBA. I also teach people how to do Amazon FBA as well because a lot of people want to learn. So if you offer a service or some knowledge that you know about that can actually teach people, whether it's in fitness or in photography, graphic design, in real estate, or any other online business like drop shipping, if you know knowledge and you actually have done it before and you're good at it, you can also sell that knowledge into a course platform, an online course platform where you can teach people how to do what you do or what you know of. this is a great way to make some passive income because you don't have to basically teach each individual student or person and spend time for each individual. Instead, you have one platform that everyone can just buy and learn on their own, and then you don't have to do anything. Once you've built out your course and put up the upfront work, it makes the sales once people are interested and want to buy from it. This works really well, especially if you have a social media presence, but you don't even need a big social media presence. If people know exactly what you do, like say for example, you're big into photography or editing, right? So you're a great editor, but you want people to learn from you. People want to learn from you exactly how you do your edits. You can build out a course online so you don't actually have to spend the time to teach each individual person. You just build a whole online platform and say, hey, if you want to learn exactly how I do my edits like this, then go ahead and come onto my course where I teach you step by step. Now I know there's a lot of things and red flags about courses because people do scam people. They do it because they sell information that they just regurgitated from other people and they actually haven't done it themselves. Please make sure that if you are going to sell a course, you're actually selling information that you've done or you are knowledgeable in, that you know how to do, actually know how to do it and have done it before. Okay, so make some courses if you are legit in it, and if you are legit in it, you can make some really good side passive income money from this. Okay, so it's a good side hustle to start doing, selling courses and build up your social media by doing that. Now, if you're not into building an online course and you actually want to be interactive with people, another way you could sell your service is actually offering in-person services. So you could start a side hustle like this. A lot of people do personal training for fitness as a side hustle. They'll have a regular job and they actually start picking up personal training on the side and clients on the side, and they can build that business up to 6 figures by doing that, right? So you could do personal training, you could do also photography, videography, get clients from there. Anything that requires you to get clients, any services that get clients could be a nice side hustle to start off. So if you're very passionate about something, if you're passionate about makeup, if you're passionate about fitness, if it's anything that you're passionate about, use that and monetize it by creating a service that you can go to and actually interact with people. That's a great way to start making some extra money on the side and something that you can actually grow to a big business and make over 6 figures and maybe leave your 9-to-5 job. Now, a lot of these things, these side hustles, you want to do the ones that are just what you're passionate about or most interested in. If you're really interested in numbers and business, go into the business side and start doing like drop shipping or Amazon FBA or retail arbitrage. If you have a talent to art or you're really passionate about fitness or anything like that, use your services and go teach clients. There's a lot of ways to go about side hustles in 2021, but I recommend pick the one that you are most interested in and passionate about, and you can go over and start making some serious money by focusing on that and using your extra spare time on that. So I hope this was a very informative video and I hope this was helpful for you guys. I hope you guys can start a side hustle and build this to multiple 6 figures like I have and utilize that to change your life. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Go make that money and I'll see you later. Peace.